Changing your primary email on Luigi's box is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Luigi's box website and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the page under your profile icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. In the email preferences section, you will see your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in a designated field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your email, click the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to verify the change. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on Luigi's box. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.